Sånt gött ju nässin selkä.
Yes, today is the 13th of September, 2021, the last day of September. We have... It's Jänislahdenkatu.
Katu.
Yeah. Jänislahdenkatu 7 sticky speed in Lentävänniemi, one of the suburbs of Tampere, Finland, to which the light rail line is going to be built and opened by 2024. It will be inspected in 2023, but 1974 turned 45 years old in 2019, and the serial number is V3652. Capacity is 4% 320 grams. Amazing ValmetSchlieren.
Yeah.
A good lighting here also.
Yeah.
Not too dark. And I like the wood here.
Same.
ValmetSchlieren has also used like different nuances of wood.
Yeah.
This is the one that I like more, one of the better ones.
Oh yeah.
Very cozy here. But we are also going to film some 1990s elevators nearby here, not far, and design scenic elevators.
Yeah.
If we have time for it later.
Yeah.
At least one, always say.
Yeah.
So I tried.
Spektiit paljon kiva mutta meitä nyt paisuu niissä syrakoita.
No, I think this could have been made a bit faster also.
Yeah.
That's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please also watch the stickers. So we also have stickers C and D here.
That's